Here, every home tells a story, simple yet full of warmth.
In a quiet village, where mornings glow like gold, life begins with peace.
She starts her day with care, because love lives in the smallest routines.
A home is not made of walls, but of the people who fill it with life.
Yes, and our home is filled with so much love.
From the trees, he gathers nature's gifts for the day. Freshness is not bought, it is prepared with hands and heart.
Another peaceful morning. Everything feels so calm.
Amma, Appa, we're going.
Go safely and learn something beautiful today.
We will. See you soon.
So quiet, yet full of life. Fresh from the garden, this is the real taste of home. Nature gives us everything, we just have to pick it with love.
The rain makes everything so peaceful, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's like the world is getting a gentle wash.
Whoa! My umbrella's flying away! Look how high it goes! It's like a bird!
Dinner is ready, everyone.
It looks so yummy, Mama. I want idli and sambar.
It smells wonderful.
Sambar is very tasty, Mama. It is like a soup.
I'm so glad.
Look, our umbrella. It's stuck in the stones. Let's get it. Got it. Yes. All dry now. Yay, we're a good team. Brother, we found our umbrella. Yes, I knew we'd find it. Let's dance. In the morning sun, umbrella hip like hip. Now look,